call it mysmallstory.com. So you just.
How about Amazing Grace?
I like it. What's your name? So I can put that.
How about
Wayne
things will get
Tucker.
better?
Okay.
LaRon.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Mr. Reed. My name is Mr. Reed of SoundHouse Band. You can find me at myspace.com/SoundHouse Band, at twitter.com @SoundHouse Band. This is our small story. The name of the song is called Things Will Get Better. We all know this in our own life experiences, and it goes like this.
Where'd that go? That's even better.
We can play the music, but we can't make any money, so it doesn't bother us. It's fine. God bless you, brother. I like the style.
Yeah, definitely.
Promise rededicated, brother.
Oh,
Well, that's mine. Look at that. Beautiful Jack Spade bag. I'm blessed. See? Just being nice to people. What does it do for you?
Yeah, great thing.
And it goes like this. Things will get better. Won't be like this forever. No. The weather gets better. You'll see the last forever. So, yes. 'Cause in life, first it comes the pain, and then it comes the rain. But in the end, there's always change. Things will get better. Won't be like this forever. No. The weather gets better. No season lasts forever. So yes, 'cause in life, and first it comes the pain, and then it comes the rain. But in the end, there's always change. That's Mr. Reed, SoundHouse Band, for mysmallstory.com. God bless you. We can't wait for you to check us out at myspace.com/SoundHouse Band.
Hey, how long where y'all from?
East New York, Brooklyn.
So we're born and raised in New York?
Born and raised in New York.
Syracuse.
Okay. So how long you been musicians? All your lives or what?
All my life, yeah.
All our lives.
All our
We've been
lives,
musicians, college educated, and dedicated to our business and growing our brand. In our music, expect to see positive and wonderful things from us in the future.
So how's performing on the subways? How's that helping you guys connect with people?
It adds overall to the promotion of our restaurant and our other websites. Until we meet again, brother LaRon.
Cool. Take care.
God bless you.
Take care, guys.
We'll meet again. You got my card.
I got it.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.